This is the DM20 full Android smartwatch that looks like an Apple Watch. You got all the standard layouts with all the controls of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and GPS and raise your wrist to see the time, on and on and on. You've got cleanup, you've got music players in here, and you even have the weather in your area. Notifications come pushed from your phone over here. You've got step count for the whole week or individual step count of the day, distance traveled, and calories burned, and a robust app area that can be laid out in the bubble look and feel of Apple. You have a front-facing camera that you can actually do video chatting and record videos and take pictures with. It's really, really nice. A lot of other features that come along with it: music players, calendars, browsers, and of course the Google Play Store, so you can download any apps that you would like to directly to this one. A whole variety of watch faces that you can change on the fly. All in all, a beautiful Apple-looking watch with an Apple-style band, but it's pure Android. Check it out, the DM20.